All eyes are on the Bombay High Court today because they'll be hearing Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan's bail plea. Aryan's bail petition will be heard by a single bench of Justice N.W. Samre. Aryan's legal team had approached the High Court. Remember that the Mumbai Sessions Court had rejected his bail plea last week. Mukul Rohatgi is going to be representing Aryan Khan in the Bombay High Court along with senior lawyers Amit Desai and Satish Manishinde. Aryan on his part maintains that he hasn't committed a crime and in his bail plea termed the NCB's case against him as one entirely based on inadmissible voluntary statements and WhatsApp chats. The prosecution will be filing their affidavit in reply to Aryan's bail plea today. The agency is no doubt going to be vehemently opposing bail for Shah Rukh Khan's son. The NCB on its part maintains that Aryan is a key link in a drug bust case and if granted bail, he can tamper with evidence. The anti-drug agency will be seeking an extension of judicial custody as well as of Aryan and as part of its reply in court will be citing the Sessions Court ruling that went against Aryan. The 23-year-old has been in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail since October 8th and will remain there till any relief really comes in from the Bombay High Court. Divyesh Singh is joining us with more details on the bail plea hearing in the Bombay High Court. Divyesh, any updates on when exactly this hearing will come up in the High Court today?
Well, Akshita, as of now, it's not clear because there are a lot of cases. There are a number of cases that have been lined up in in front of the Justice Bombay High Court Justice Samre's bench, and there are 7 old cases that have also been listed. So it would take some time for the hearing to start. As of now, it is not clearly known on when the hearing would start. But yes, it is listed for today, and there are a number of other cases as well which have been listed in front of the same bench, in front of Justice Samre's bench. So as of now, we cannot say clearly on when it will be heard. It could be in the later part of the day, or it could happen earlier also. It could happen pre-lunch also. But as of now, the hearing has not begun. Akshita.
All right, we'll track the latest that comes in from the court. Divyesh, thank you for joining us. What can happen today, considering that the Bombay High Court is hearing Aryan Khan's bail plea? Here are 4 possibilities. The first possibility is that Aryan is denied bail, in which case he stays in the Arthur Road jail, and also that Wankhede continues to head the investigation as he is right now if he's given the clean sheet. Aryan Khan gets bail and Wankhede continues to head the investigation and Wankhede is still given a clean sheet. Possibility 3 is that Aryan is denied bail, again remains in the Arthur Road jail, but there's also a setback for Samir Wankhede. He's removed from the investigation based on the probe by the NCB into allegations of extortion. There is also another possibility that Aryan Khan is granted bail and that Wankhede is removed from the investigation, in which case someone else will take over the probe and there's relief for Aryan.